All right, y'all, it's here. I was so excited for this package to arrive. As I mentioned in my community post, I've really gotten into buying acrylic cocoa beads. The thing I'm really getting into now is I want to start doing is keychains. I think those will be really, really fun. So that's why I bought this stuff. So I'm gonna unbox it with you on camera. Let me pull everything out. I got some beading needles, 2 different types of nylon string, and is that it? Wait, beading needles, 2 types of nylon string. Oh yeah, and the clips. You gotta have the clips, right? Duh. The keychain clip. That's what I got, and I'm waiting. Y'all, I'm so excited for those acrylic charms to come in. I got so many different ones. I got pop-up girls. I got Hello Kitty. I got just so many cute ones that I cannot wait to like come up with little designs. I do want to make a, I guess, practice one with you guys, just so you can kind of see what I'm thinking. So I've watched a lot of tutorials on how to make keychains. There are a lot of different ways to make them. You can use a beading bar, which is a metal bar, kind of like what's on top of the beaded pins. You can use wire. So one girl who used wire, and then I also see people who use this nylon string or nylon rope. I think this one is my favorite method just because with the bar, you're limited in what you can do because the bar is like a set amount of inches. It's like, I don't know, y'all, like 2 to 3 inches, and I'll be limited to like this much space to make my design. Some of those acrylics that I bought are very big, and I just don't want to be limited. You know, with the string, I can make them as big as I want. I just feel like it was the safest bet. I did get 2 different sizes because I wasn't sure what was best. And all the tutorials that I saw, people were using 1.5. But I felt like maybe that might be too big. I don't know. I just wanted to experiment and see. So I got, what did I get? I got 1 millimeter and also 1.5 millimeter. I got 2 different sizes for the string for the keychain. And these are my little some beading wire just to help me, not beading wire, I'm sorry, beading, what do you call these? Beading needles, just to help me get them onto the string easier, because as you know, when you cut string, see how it kind of frays? That's gonna be such a pain in the butt to get through beads, and we ain't got time for that, so that's why I got the beading needles. Hopefully that will help. I'm really hoping that will help. And then last but not least, we have the little keychains. Okay, so we got all of these. So I think I got 160 of these in the package. These are gonna be what the keychain hangs on, obviously. And it comes with these little extra rings. I guess I'll probably put them on here somewhere, but my idea is to loop the string, you know. My thinking is to loop the string here, and then my design will hang down here. All right, can you guys see that? I put the loop through there. Then you take the 2 strings, you pull it through. So I keep pulling off focus, and then what that does, oops, hang on. You guys can see the magic. What that does, as you pull it, that should make like this little automatic grab. See how it's not gonna go anywhere? Because the key is gonna be hanging down, and once we tie it on the end, there's nowhere for it to go. It's just gonna stay. And I might even put a little dab of super glue there or something. In the, actually no, I shouldn't even have to do that because once you push the beads up, it's gonna hold itself. So that's a little knot. That's how they did it in the video. I thought that was so clever. Super easy, super cool.